Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to Blossom University. I am Blossoming Jasmine, and I wanted to show my audience and my students this new course that I just launched where I show you how to bedazzle or how to bling a pair of fishnet stockings with Swarovski crystals. Now, before I start, I want to encourage all of my students who haven't already to go to my YouTube and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications and then follow me on Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine. So, in my tutorial, I definitely offer number one, a list of vendors of where you can even find the stockings. For me personally, as a woman of color, and I'm a size 2, I'm not even that big, but I personally found it kind of difficult to find a stocking that was not only my size, but my actual skin complexion. So I really took a long time to eliminate that process so that, once my customer buys my course, they can literally get everything they need from just buying my course. So you get the information of where you can buy your stockings, you get the full tutorial, you get clickable links on where you can buy your stones, which is extremely helpful. And then if you don't own any supplies at all, you can buy a kit from me. So literally I'm making Blossom University a one-stop shop for the ladies or the guys who like to bling. So I'm loving the way these stockings look with my money shoes, and the heel of that shoe is $100 bill. I just thought that was super sexy. I threw some Swarovski crystals on this shoe. So this is a Swarovski shoe, but I'm also going to show you another shoe that is Swarovski AB. Just in case, if you're extra glam like me, you may want to wear Swarovski with Swarovski. That's kind of like one of my favorite looks, but everybody's different. You may just be a lot more simple. This look is perfect for the winter time. If you're going to like a Christmas party, if you're going from the car to the door, definitely wear these stockings. If you have like a birthday or just fall time, I love wearing my different types of Swarovski stockings. I have about, I don't know, at least 5 pairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have questions, definitely leave them below. Again, go to blossomingJasmine.com, you click on shop, and you'll be able to see not only my digital products, which are my classes, you get to see my physical products. If you don't want to buy this stocking, I can make it for you. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Always with love, Blossoming Jasmine.